Good morning, everybody. First, my request to keep your mobile silent so that we will enjoy the program. On behalf of Dynamic Foundry Group, we welcome all of you to this event. This is the third networking and knowledge sharing program. And in this event, we are going for technical knowledge sharing. Here in this program, some of members available here, which is already member of the Dynamic Foundry Group, and some members are not member of this group, but still they are present. So special welcome for this member who are yet not member of this program. So I request you to become a member. I will brief about the program. First, there is a speech by Sandeep Kulkarni by the presentation in Dynamic Group. Second, by M. Deshpande, new product development. By Mr. Bhushan Dutt on the subject of FRP and Foundry Resource Planning presentation. Third program by S. C. Kulkarni on the improvement in foundry profitability. After 1:15 there will be a lunch. Then energy efficiency improvement by Ram Kulkarni. Energy saving by use of body requests by Mr. Ashish Kulkarni. Robotic automation by Tushar Dhamre. Auto compatibility repair benefits by Reference Group. Open house session, last program will be open house session, and brainstorming session, present challenges in the front of foundry industry led by S. C. Kulkarni, and the program will get concluded. So try to take maximum knowledge from this event. Implementation is the first process of the success. So try to implement whatever the technical knowledge you are getting in this program and be a maximum potential for India. So I will invite you to Sandeep Kulkarni for presentation on Dynamic Foundry. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to this event. This is the third program of Dynamic Foundry Group, and as Sarika Madam told, there are many members which are non-regular members of this Dynamic Group, which are not related to Dynamic Group, but still they have been invited for this event because we want to increase this group further for the knowledge sharing. So for their benefit, we are going to present one small presentation on our Dynamic Foundry Group. So this is Dynamic Foundry Group logo we are selected. It was initiated and started by myself, Sandeep Kulkarni, in August 2014 with 3 members as a Foundry Group in WhatsApp. The group is started for the sharing of knowledge, all levels, and for benefit of all. Group was recently changed from Foundry WhatsApp group to Dynamic Foundry Group into Telegram group in January 2017. This change was done to accommodate more than 256 members, which was the consent in WhatsApp group. Now we can have around 5,000 members in Telegram group. Presently this group is having 326 members, and our aim is to reach 5,000 before the end of 2017. This is the general map where the latest Foundry Telegram group members are situated. If you go and see all over India, you can see the presence of Dynamic Foundry group members are there. So it's all India group. It's not only all India group, there are few international foundrymen also associated with this group. It comes from Belgium, Canada and Singapore. One of the international foundrymen is with us today, Mr. Christian Kleberg. Please give a big hand. Taking inspiration from this group, many other such knowledge sharing groups have started in recent time. All of them are in WhatsApp. These are the list of the group which I personally spoke. There are few many maybe. Casting clinic by Dr. Virendra Gupta in North. It is basically a small foundry or cupola related groups. Casting quality group by Dr. Rao and Vivek Srivastav. Then loss form group by Vinay Desai. Then foundry group, which was old WhatsApp group, it is restarted again by Mr. Vivek Srivastav and it is running right now. Then global suppliers by Mr. Durga Prasad. Then South India group, foundry group by Mr. Suren Damdere in Coimbatore. Basically D stands not only for dynamic, it's a digital and different. How? You can see in next few slides. As I told, it is a different group from all groups. There are 7 to 8 groups as I told you, but this dynamic foundry group, which is working on Telegram, is working differently than all other groups in all respect. How? You can see in further groups. Number one is, so first of all, it's a pioneer group. The group has started, and after taking inspiration of this group, other groups have been started. Then all other groups are only working through WhatsApp or app media. Third is, all other groups having limitation of 256 members as they are working only on WhatsApp. Fourth one is, this group has their own rules and regulations which all the group members are following very strictly. These are the rules and regulations we have decided. When new member joins, we send these rules and regulation to him and he follows it very strictly. The dynamic foundry group is not only working in an app, that is the Telegram, but it works in 3 different ways. Number one, through a technical discussion, through sharing on Telegram or app. There are various technical sessions or technical discussions. The problems been asked, the questions been asked, answer has been given, and lot of discussions on various topics has been regularly doing on the Telegram group. Then second is the document and technical literature sharing through mails every week. More than 300 members receiving such mail right now. So this is another way we share the knowledge through the documentation, through the various standards. All these things we mail to the person so that he will remain, the document will remain with him for a longer time. So around 300 members are receiving such mails right now. Then arranging networking and knowledge sharing events, just like what we are doing today. Last year 2 such events have been organized, and this year we are planning to have more than 4 to 5 such events in 2017-2018. This is the first out of these 4 or 5. Such networking events brings foundrymen from all over India together and help them to exchange the knowledge and interact with each other, so that this basically helps in building a relationship between the foundryman, building a relationship between the 2 persons, because every time you can just have interaction on the app. If you have a good tempo with each other, if you understand each other better, then sharing of knowledge and resolving of the problem becomes easier. So this is why we have started this kind of sharing, knowledge sharing platform. Networking and knowledge sharing events arranged so far are, first event was arranged on 2nd of October 2016 at Kolhapur at new IF Hall, Shiroli. These are the photographs from that event. Second such session was organized at Baroda and VV Nagar on 7th and 8th of April 2017. These are some of the photographs from that event. The visit to Rhino machines was one of the main agenda of that event. We also took effectiveness of the event. After the event has been done, we monitor the effectiveness of the event. Which topics we have presented, which one was the good topic, which people like, which member likes, so that we can understand what people like, what they want, so that we can select such topics in future events. That is why we also have this effectiveness monitoring system by Google form. You also, everyone will receive the same kind of form after this event, maybe in next couple of days, and you have to fill it and send it back to me, so that we can have a good interaction between you and me, so that what you want, what is your opinion about our events, it will give us an idea to improve in further events. This is about the various works visit we done at Anand and Baroda, the feedback on that. We also ask for the suggestions after the event, what they feel about the event. Is there any suggestion is there? If they want to change anything, if they want any improvement in the either organization, either in the subject or in the management, and we receive so many suggestions from the members, and out of which we are going to implement one suggestion in this event itself. So today we are witnessing the third such networking and knowledge sharing event at Kolhapur. Apart from this, Dynamic Foundry Group is trying to adopt some new technologies like webinar. And for your kind knowledge, I'm like to share that this event, what we are doing right now, is being recorded, and the video of this, all the event, all the presentation will be available on YouTube after next 8 days. So it's a good thing that we are trying to gather the knowledge, trying to gather the information and share it across the India, so that everyone will, even though to those people doesn't attend this program, they will also able to benefit out of it. So to enable us to conduct various short sessions, this webinar is enable us to conduct various short sessions which members can attend from their homes at their convenient time. They can also able to view them afterwards as a reference, as it is been saved and shared with everyone in the world. Such first webinar event was organized in the first week of May 2017 on casting simulation. The webinar was attended by almost 17 members from 4 different locations in India. Baroda, one member, Mr. Bhushan Bhatt, he is available today with us. Please give a big hand. He has hosted that webinar from Baroda. Then Ahmedabad 4 persons, Jalandhar 8 persons, and Kolhapur 5 persons. These are the photographs from the webinar we have conducted. It was a great success, and the group is planning to have more such webinars in future, which can be spread all over India in recent time. The group is looking forward to tie up with some of the educational institutes to upgrade the new and fresh talent of foundry industry. Presently, we are trying to correlate with a couple of institutes in Kolhapur. One of them is with us today, Mr. Mandre sir. He is from Dhatu Tantra Prabodhini. Please give a big hand. He is trying a lot of work through the new government polytechnic, so that new blood gets an education on foundry, and they will able to come with the bigger knowledge in the foundry. In this event, we are starting one more new concept, that is open house discussion, as I earlier told you. Some of the planned events and networking this year in the Dynamic Group. We are trying one event at June and July at Government Polytechnic College. All the interested members can enroll themselves at the reception today. We will giving you a feedback form. In that form, you have to enroll for this simulation if you want to join this activity. Second one is energy theme 2-day event and half-day work event at Belgaum in August. We are expecting every part of energy will be included in this event. There will be focused energy event, and whatever concept about energies are there, all concept will be taken care in this event. And third one, we are planning a event dedicated on quality function. That is FMA, process audits, quality tools, inspection, CAPA, and that will be probably November. But as I told you, I have written it Kolhapur. Maybe Kolhapur, or one more option is there is Nagpur. We are planning on that. So thanks a lot. This is a small presentation about the group activity, and now I request Sarika madam to take over further. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandeep sir. It is a really great effort has taken by Sandeep ji, and it's a great achievement we have received. That is the one of the presentation Sandeep sir has given. We give you big class for this achievement and whatever the remarks he has given. Secondly, I will request Mr. Deshpande sir have a presentation on the subject new product development.
Close this one. Wait.